I'm really surprised and I'm so blessed. Thank you so much for making this day so special. I wish you also the best. My prayers will always go with all of you, with you, whoever facilitated this. I'm really surprised. God is good. Thank you po. Thank you so much for your presence din po. God bless. And sana po mas marami pa po kayong ma-surprise at mabigyan ganda yung araw. Attach naman. Hindi na maalis yung ngiti ko. Sobrang thank you po.
Happy birthday po, ma'am.
Oh, God bless. I'm so happy. This is the first and I'm so happy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Blessed Sunday everyone! Samahan niyo po kami sa Las Piñas City upang mag-attend ng sorpresa at saya para sa kaarawan ni Sister Clarissa. Ito po ay nanggaling sa kanyang CM family all the way from Lipa, Batangas. Walang katumbas ang kanilang taus-pusong pagmamahal para kay Sister Clarissa at tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang paghahatid ng sorpresa at saya sa tulong ng Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Si Sister Clarissa po ay makakatanggap ng birthday sas, chocolate bouquet, balloon on stick, birthday cake, birthday card, pizza, and souvenir from Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Sa iyo po, Sister Clarissa, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Wishing you a day filled with amazing memories. More birthdays to come. Tara, samahan niyo po kami.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Magandang hapon po. Nandito na po kami ngayon sa Las Piñas City kung saan aming sasurprisahin si Sister Clarissa para sa kanyang kaarawan. Guys, excited na po ba kayo? Tara, samahan niyo po kami.
Morning po.
Ako lang po yung tagal lang.
Ay, so, bigay na lang po namin.
Po, ano po yun?
Ay, tayo na po. Ano ko po? Surprise po! Happy birthday!
Oh my God.
Happy birthday po, sister! Sister, pwede ba tayo dito?
Sige po.
Dito lang po, sister. Okay lang po sa iyo.
Po. Cute naman ito.
Sister, kamusta po ba? May idea po ba kayo? Kanina nang galing ito para surprise sa inyo? Sige po.
Parang alam ko saan.
Kung ano, ay, pwede nyo na po bang sabihin kung may alam po kayo?
Parang alam mo, kaibigan ko po.
Ay, sige. Mamaya po, sister, alamin po natin kung kanino nang galing. Sa ngayon po,
Wala po kong pinagpawis.
happy birthday.
Magulat yung mga mad.
Dahil kaarawan niyo, sister, mayroon po kayong birthday sas.
Ay, wow.
Happy birthday, sister Clarissa. Oh, happy birthday po. At dahil kaarawan niyo, sister, syempre, meron po kayong birthday cake.
Kulit.
At dahil kaarawan niyo, sister, kantahan ka lang po namin ng birthday song. Happy birthday
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sister, wish ko muna bago blow the candle. Happy birthday! Basahin ko lang nakalagay, sister. Happy 35th birthday, Sister Clarissa from CM Family. Happy birthday po! Yan na po, sister. May idea na tayo kung kanino nanggaling. Actually po, from group of friends ang nagpadala para po sa inyo. All the way from Lipa, Batangas. Happy birthday! Ay, lang ito.
Pasensya na po kayo.
Yan na po, sister. Happy birthday. Relax and enjoy this moment, sister. At dahil kaarawan niyo po, meron din po kayong chocolate bouquet. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Paano naman ako ano dito nilaga? Ay, nilaga naman talaga.
Ang saya ni sister. Happy birthday, sister.
Thank you po.
At syempre, hindi pa rin yan natatapos. Meron din po kayong Shakey's Pizza. Happy birthday! Yan po. At dahil kaarawan niyo po, syempre may kasama din po itong birthday message. Ito po, sister. Pero bago po basahin, magpakilala po muna kami.
Sige po.
Kami nga po pala ang Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Sister, nandito po kami upang gawing extra special ang inyong 35th birthday. Happy birthday po!
Talaga. Thank you po.
Sister, ready ka na basahin ko po?
Sige po.
Happy birthday po, Sister Clarissa. You are special in every way. May this special day be a reminder of God's abundant blessings in your life. You are God's masterpiece. All the best today. May your day be as special as you are. Be assured of our prayers. Thank you for inspiring us each day. Smile and enjoy po. My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. We love you always. Love your returns, CM Family, group of friends, all the way from Lipa, Batangas. Happy birthday! Sige po.
Na-order naman ako. Okay po. Kung
Sige.
sino man.
Sige po, mamaya
Thank you.
po, pwede ka po mag-message sa kanila, sister.
Sige po.
Para po. Wait lang po, sister. Ngayon po, sister, ano mo sasabi mo po sa nagpadala?
I'm speechless. I'm really surprised and I'm so blessed. Thank you so much for making this day so special. I wish you also the best. My prayers will always go with all of you, with you, whoever facilitated this. I'm really surprised. God is good. Thank you po. Thank you so much for your presence din po. God bless. And sana po mas marami pa po kayong ma-surprise at mabigyan ganda yung araw.
You're welcome, sister, and God bless din po. At syempre, sister, hindi pa rin dyan nagpapahuli. Kami din po from Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Meron din po kaming souvenir ibibigay po para sa inyong kaarawan.
Dami naman.
Sir,
Wow.
from Metro Manila, happy birthday, Sister Clarissa Morel and Peters.
Opo.
September 22, 2024. Salamat sa pagdaramdam ng ever na pagmamahal at pag-aalaga. Wishing you a birthday as special as you are from Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Happy birthday po, sister.
Thank you so much po.
Sige po, thank you po, sister. Kami din po for mga staff gustong bumati sa inyong kaarawan. Sa iyo po, Sister Clarissa, binabati ka po namin ng happy birthday.
Thank you po.
May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday po.
Thank you po. God bless po.
Happy birthday mo.
Salamat
Happy
po.
birthday po.
Salamat po. I'm really blessed. Thank you so much po.
Happy birthday again, sister. And lastly po sa aming sender, all the way from Lipa, Batangas, sa group of friends ni Sister Clarissa. In behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat kasi kami po ang inyong napili upang maihatid po itong sorpresa sa kaarawan ni Sister Clarissa. Ipagpatuloy lang po ang pagmamahal sa isa't isa at lagi po kayong mag-ingat dyan sa Batangas. God bless po. And sa iyo po ulit, sister. Happy birthday!
Thank you po.
Enjoy your day, sister.
God bless po.
Sister na lang.
Attach naman. Hindi na maalis yung ngiti ko. Sobrang thank you po.
Happy birthday po, ma'am.
Oh, God bless. I'm so happy. This is the first and I'm so happy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,